Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling materials and taking the first physical steps, because speed matters. Gather beads, brass ring, wire, LED holders, glue, pliers. Measure and mark equal spacing on the ring so weight balances. This prevents tilt once hung. Cut 30-45 cm wire strands and strip about 0.5 cm of insulation at both ends so connections are solid. As you do this, keep strands grouped by length and label them. This saves rework later and keeps the design symmetrical and safe. Once your strands are ready, thread beads and secure each end with a knot or crimp so beads won't slide. This creates the decorative cascade. Next, attach strands to the ring at your marked points using wrapped wire loops or metal crimps. Make sure spacing stays even to avoid lopsided weight. Now handle the electrical work. Wire the LED holders in parallel so a single failure won't kill the whole Jhumar, solder joints firmly, and cover with heat shrink. This preserves conductivity and prevents shorts. You finish by fastening bulb holders to the ring and routing wires neatly along the frame. Use hot glue or clamps to prevent movement. Test the circuit with a low-voltage supply. This confirms polarity and brightness before full installation. Mount the Jhumar on a rated ceiling hook and add a safety chain so weight is supported even if the primary hanger fails. If bulbs are dim or flicker, check solder joints, tighten loose connections, and verify LED polarity. That single check usually fixes the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.